Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Jill. I'd love to have you subscribe, but I'm so excited for today's video. I'm going to be giving you guys an updated house tour. I did a house tour when we before we moved in, so the house was completely empty, and I told you guys that I would do an updated one once we moved in and had all our furniture and all that kind of stuff. It took me way longer than I thought it was going to make this video. We've been here for 6 months now, and there were times when I wanted to do it, but then I was like, I don't really like how this room looks, or I still want to do something to this room, or like this wasn't perfect, so I just kept putting it off. But I was just like, you know what, I gotta just do it, because it's probably not gonna get much better than this, because we are planning on buying our own house. So I'm not really gonna be doing much more of this house, maybe like little tiny things here and there, which doesn't really matter. But yeah, I have spent the whole morning like tidying up the house so that it will look decent enough to do this video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it and show you guys what it looks like now, since we've been living here for a while now. Okay, so I am standing in our entryway area. The door is right behind me, and then there's a little entryway and then the stairs. So when you first come in, you see the stairs and then the living room. So yeah, this is the living room. This is what it looks like now. We got a new couch. We got rid of the first one that we got. That one was so uncomfortable, and I'm so much happier with this one. So we got a new couch. It's from Ashley Furniture, in case you were wondering. And then we got a rug for this room. We also had a different rug at one point from Home Depot. Was it from Home Depot? Yeah, what? No, I forget. I bought it online somewhere, but it was so bad. It was so scratchy. No, it was from Home Depot. Yeah, that's right. We returned that one to Home Depot. We got another one from Home Depot. This one is so much better. It's really, really soft. I love this rug, but it's shaggy, and it's not the greatest for like kids and vacuuming and stuff, so I don't like that too much about it, but I just like how it looks, and it's really soft and comfy and cozy. And then over here I just have some of Chase's toys, the kitchen, and a little basket of toys, and the playpen. I did have to get the playpen out. I didn't have that out here for the longest time, but I do kind of need it sometimes, so that's just over there in the corner. And then the fireplace is here, and this was one area that I really wanted to decorate and like make it look all pretty and stuff, and it just never happened. I could never find something particular that I was looking for the back, and I don't know, I just could never find anything else that I wanted to put there. So after Christmas, I took all my decorations down, and it's kind of just become a place where I put things that I want to like keep away from Chase. So I always just have like the TV clickers up here. I keep my laptop up here because I don't really have anywhere else to put it where he can't get it. The tissue box is up here, and then that stuff back there, it's not gonna stay there. We're gonna hang that picture, and I have to find somewhere else for that. So it's just there for the time being, but that's what that's looking like. And I do have like my one little Valentine's Day decoration. And then we have our TV stand and TV over here, and you can't really see the TV stand too well, but it's really cute. It's from Wayfair. I'll try to leave a link down below if I remember, if you guys are curious, but it is from Wayfair, and it's really, really nice. It's really cute. I like it a lot. So I got that over here. And then over here I just have this console table with just a lamp and a little plant on it, and our cross is up there. I want to find something else to put here, but I'm not sure what to do with it yet, so that's just how it's looking right now, and some of Chase's toys are underneath there. So yeah, here's just another glance at the living room. Oh, and then I have a side table thingy over here. I got this from Wayfair too, like last year I think, at our old house, and I just have some blankets on top and a pillow that we never really use, and you know, a couple bins with some stuff in it. I got diaper stuff, and Chase's books are under there. And then this way is the kitchen. Not too much has changed in here, I don't think, since we moved in. I finally hung some curtains up on the window over here. I got them at Walmart, and I got these curtains here from Overstock, I think, and I really like those, so I hung those up and just have a little rug over there. I was thinking about getting a rug for over here, like under the sink or under the dish, what is that thing called? Dishwasher. But I don't know, I just feel like it would be a pain trying to sweep crumbs off the rug and around the rug and stuff, so I kind of just left it with no rug. And then we just have our kitchen table. Let me get a better angle. There we go. Got our kitchen table. This is my mom's old table. It's my childhood table, and yeah, it's working fine for us right now. It is kind of wobbly, so when we get our own house, we're definitely gonna get a new table. But for right now, this is what we're using, and it's working. So yeah, this is the kitchen, how it's looking these days. And then down this hallway, basement is down here. I'll show you that later. But then this is the bathroom. Didn't really do much in here besides hanging a shower curtain, and you know, I still have our old bath mat here. I might want to get a new one I haven't seen anything that I like yet though. So I got that, and you know, pretty much the same as when you guys saw it before. I added a little plant here, which I think is really, really cute. I got it from the Target dollar section, and I just love that. So got that there, and that's pretty much it. Didn't really do much in there at all. And then this room, I don't even really know what to call this room. I kind of call it the playroom, or I call it the little room. I don't know, it's kind of like a catch-all room. I have laundry here, the toy box for Chase's toys, and then some of his other toys over there and here. His box, he still plays in his box. This is from when we moved into the house, and he still plays in it. I can't get rid of that. And then over here, I have these two plastic drawer thingies, and this is where I keep all of Chase's clothes and even some of my clothes. Like, I have like socks and underwear and stuff in there, stuff that I don't want to run upstairs for at the end of the night when I'm getting ready to take a shower. So I just have some of my stuff in here too, but that's basically what I'm using as a dresser for him. I like keeping his clothes downstairs. It's just so much easier than having to like run up and downstairs for his stuff all day long. So that's over there. And then don't look at that, but that's Gracie's like pee pad thingies where she goes potty. And then I have like a clothes drying rack right there. And then this is just a basket that I keep to throw the diaper bag in, and a couple other random little bags that I might need if we're going out somewhere. Then I just put a coat rack on this door. I hang some of our jackets here and some sweaters and stuff like that. And then our bath towels are all hanging on here because we don't have enough room in the bathroom to hang all of our towels. And also they just dry better out here because it gets humid in the bathroom. And then this closet is like our everything closet. It's like a linen closet, I guess, because we have like towels in here. It's like, I don't know, we have like medicine and like first aid and just like bathroom stuff that doesn't fit in the bathroom. Extra diapers, pee pads. My vacuum fits in this closet. This closet is just everything. We don't really have, like, we don't have a real linen closet, and we don't have like a bathroom closet or like bathroom storage. So yeah, as you can see, this is pretty cram-packed full of everything. And then over here is Madison's room. So that's just what her room is looking like. Her closet door doesn't close, so we just leave it open, and it kind of works out because she's got toy storage in here, so she can easily just like pull her toys out and put them back in, not have to worry about opening and closing the door. And then this is just a little cubby thing. What do they call these things? Cube organizers that I'm kind of using as a dresser and toy storage for her. So she has some of her clothes in these top bins, and the bottom has, or actually this one has clothes too, some toys in here too. So yeah, we're using this as a dresser. I was going to get her a dresser, but since we are moving, I just figured it's one more thing that we'd have to move, so I might as well just wait on that. And then over here, she just has her little desk and two little drawer organizer thingies. She has a bin full of like stuffed animals and dolls and stuff, and then that green bin has extra toys in it because she doesn't have that much storage in her closet, and we couldn't fit all her toys in there. So she has toys in there and then some books on top. And then another thing I've done for storage in her room is I keep a lot of stuff under her bed. I've got like her sheets in that bin, and then all those other bins are like toys, and there's also some clothes under there that are like summer clothes. And we didn't end up painting. I was going to paint and actually bought the paint and everything, but I just figured that it was going to be so much work and so much time, and it just wasn't worth it to do in just a house that we only plan on being in for a year. So I'm going to save the paint, and we'll use that paint in our own house. Also in the hallway, I just have this clipboard thing that I made. It's a cork board that I covered with fabric just because the cork was ugly. So I just put fabric over it and some push pins, and I painted the edge of it and hung like string across it. I really like this thing. I've had it for a really long time, and I just hang like invitations or cards or whatever kind of little things that I want to save. I just clip it up there. So yeah, I just have this on this wall. I wanted to show you guys that because I don't have many decorations in my house. This is like one of 2 decorations, so I couldn't leave that out. And then on this wall, we just have our key hanging hook. I found this at Home Goods a few years ago, and we still have that too. Now I will show you guys the basement. Keep in mind that the basement is pretty much Greg's area. I don't even really come down here anymore except to do laundry, so yeah, just keep that in mind. So this is the door that we come in from, and we come in down into this little area, and I've got a shoe rack here and some hooks for our jackets and stuff just all over here. It's kind of like our little makeshift mudroom, I guess. And I got like a boot rack over here, or tray. And then this is what the basement is looking like now. So we've got our a cube thingy over here that was in the living room at our old house, and I really do like this thing, but it's kind of too big for the living room upstairs, so we put it down here. It's working good for storage down here, and then we have our old love seat down here, and I just put a little rug just to make it look a little cozier down here. Greg's got his big TV and whatever, all his stuff in there. You know, this is just like the little TV area over here. And then back here is the computer area, I guess. This is Greg's desk. I don't touch it. However it is how it is. And then this is my desk, or well, this is my desk. This is where I used to do my work and stuff, but now I have the laptop, so I do my work upstairs. This is kind of like gonna turn into like the family computer, I guess. Madison uses it to play games and stuff, and she'll probably use it for homework too at some point, but that is that. And then we just have some other like random stuff. I got a table over there that has our printers on it, and yeah, and then in here is the laundry room. Just has, you know, a washer and dryer and the heater, blah, blah, blah. You guys have seen that already. It's just a laundry room. And then this big closet over here, we have filled it up. We put a big shelf in here, holds a whole bunch of stuff, extra food, just random things, big things that we buy from Costco we'll put in here. And it's pretty cram-packed in here. Yeah. But it's good. It's there's a lot of storage in here, which we need, so yeah. We like this closet. So yeah, that is how the basement is looking. And those bins are Greg's stuff that has to go in the garage for storage, but yeah, that's how it looks down here. Chase is awake now, so I might as well go upstairs and show you his room and my room. So here's the stairs to go upstairs, so let's go up. There's a bathroom in there, I'll show you that too. This is Chase's room. I don't know if you guys remember how his room looks, but the door is right here, and then when you come in, you have this little section over here, and then this way is like a whole other section of his room. So it's kind of an oddly shaped room, but it's a pretty big room, I think. But his crib is just over here. Monitor is up there. I just have this little storage organizer thingy that just has his sound machine on it and tissues, and then we just have this thing on the floor. I don't have a spot for that yet. It's a, what is that thing called? A vaporizer, I think. But we hung some curtains up in his room. I just have one curtain over there and then one curtain over here, and at night we just close them and it works fine. And I have some extra toys up here, just like big toys that I like rotate out once in a while. Then we just have his dresser over here, and I don't keep any of his clothes in here except for like clothes that he's outgrown. Those are just clothes that are too small for him that I have to put away. But I just keep a bunch of random stuff in here, just storage for things. And we just have two bins here. One of them has Madison's extra toys in it, like more extra toys, and one of them has like Chase's extra toys. And we keep the trampoline up here too when we're not using it. And then over here is his closet. Just use this closet for storage mainly. I have a huge bin full of clothes that he's outgrown, and then I have like other baby stuff in here that we don't use anymore, just random stuff. But it's a pretty big closet. It's an awkward shape with the slanted ceiling, but it works. And then this is the half bathroom up here. Haven't really done much up here. We don't use this bathroom very often, so I didn't do too much. I put, you know, a little rug in front of the sink. I put a towel and this curtain my mom gave me, so I just hung that up in there. It's really dark in here. There we go. I got a curtain. This storage thingy was here when we moved in and we just left it. I'm not gonna bother with, you know, trying to take it out or anything. It's very wobbly though. Like, I don't know if you can tell. It's very unstable, so we don't touch that, but yeah, basically it's a half bathroom. And then in here is my and Greg's room. So this is what it looks like. We got our bed over here in this little cutout thing. This is like a weird shaped room too. We put our bed over here, and we finally got nightstands for the first time in our lives together. We got matching nightstands, so I was really excited about that. And these are the ones from Walmart. I forget, Cross Mill I think is the style or whatever, but they're from Walmart, and I like them. I like them a lot. So yeah, we got the two of them, and then don't mind the clothes on the floor. They're Greg's. There's nothing I can do about it really. They're always there. And I wasn't about to pick them up for this video. This is just real. There's always clothes on the floor. No clothes on the floor on my side though. Let's point that out. But yeah, this is our bed. I do want to get like a new like white blanket. This white blanket is really old, so I've been looking for a new one. And then we actually just have our own separate blankets because like sometimes Greg is hot and I'm cold, which is normally how it is. So like I'll want a blanket, but then he won't want the blanket. So it's just easier if we just have our own separate blankets. We'll both use like the sheet and the white cotton blanket, and then if we want an extra blanket, we have our own extra blanket. So that's how that's been working out for us. And then we just have this whole like built-in closet thing. There's Greg's side, and then we share these drawers here. Like I've got mine over here and his over here, and then that's my closet for like hanging clothes and stuff. And then in here is just a closet like the one in Chase's room. It just has random storage in here. There we go. I just got some random stuff up here that I didn't have anywhere to put downstairs, so I just put it up here. But yeah. There we go. That's it for the house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Chase, come on.
I'm not making him laugh, okay?
That's it for the house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to Come on, stop.
I'm not making you laugh, I promise.
What is he laughing at then?
I have no idea.
Chase won't stop laughing. Stop. Trying to end this video, Chase won't stop laughing. Oh my god.
I'll just shut it off.
No, don't do that. That's it for the house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I can see you. I can see you back here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.